Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy using a cotton candy machine. First, ensure your machine is clean and ready. Place it on a stable, flat surface. Gather your floss sugar and paper cones. Plug in your machine and turn it on to preheat. Allow it to warm up for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is hot enough to properly melt the sugar and spin the delicious threads. Once your machine is preheated, carefully add 1 scoop of floss sugar directly into the center heating element. Avoid overfilling to prevent clogs. Within moments, you'll see delicate sugar threads begin to emerge from the spinning head. Hold a paper cone horizontally, just above the spinning head, and slowly rotate it to catch the wispy strands. As the sugar threads accumulate, continue rotating your cone in a circular motion. Gently move the cone up and down, allowing the threads to wrap around it and build a fluffy, airy cloud. Don't press too hard. Let the machine do the work. Keep spinning until your cotton candy reaches the perfect size and density for a delightful treat. Now for the best part. Enjoy your homemade cotton candy. It's best consumed fresh. Once you're done, remember to turn off and unplug your machine. Allow it to cool completely before attempting to clean it. A warm, damp cloth works well for wiping down the bowl and spinning head. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on financial wisdom, check the description below. Cleaning properly ensures your machine is ready for the next sweet adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.